Ready?
Hello guys, gals, and fishing pals. This is a new slogan. Tell me in the comments if you like it. And anyway, we are catching bait here in this clip. And we are catching either croakers or pinfish. I'm pretty sure this one is a pinfish. Because it's a bit spinier, has a different shape, and we fed it to the heron. It's kind of our best friend here. And it kind of taxes us, you could say. And this is us putting it in the bait bucket and yeah, preparing to catch fish. Let's start fishing. Wow, look at all those fish. I think this will be a great night for fishing. Here we are putting a croaker on the hook so that we will be able to catch a fish. Okay, got the croaker. Here, got the fish,
Why is it in the water? No.
The fight is continuing, and we are fighting it, and yeah, have to put all my effort in because this is a very big fish, and little brother's not really helping, but it's alright, and I'll just let the clip speak for itself.
Okay, get away from the pond. Back over here. Move this way.
This helps us just kind of grab the fish. Okay.
Now tighten up the drag. Tighten up the drag. Tighten up the drag.
I don't know how to.
Do it.
Keep it over there.
Yep, we lost it. Little brother got a fish on. Don't know what type, but got a fish on. But he unfortunately lost it. And yeah, got a fish. Yay! Got a fish. Well, doesn't look like this fish is gonna give up anytime soon. We got a second fish on the hook, and there will be a couple more to come in this video. Here I'm trying to kind of follow my dad so that I'll be able to net the fish, and I hooked it and I let my dad I gave the reel to my dad. So, here's a pun. I let my dad take the reel. And, yeah. In the next clip, or, no, not the next clip, but, I am trying to net the fish. And we will certainly be successful, hopefully. I don't know. You'll find out in the next, 7 seconds. And, yay! Got it. So, yeah. That's the fish. Oh yeah, by the way, it's 36 inches plus. Longer than that yardstick, I think, in the background. And, yeah. This is me talking about how that's a record for me on camera. Now, my dad did kind of mostly catch it because I let him, again, take the reel. But that's the biggest I've ever seen on a dock that I helped catch. Measured the fish, and unfortunately we don't have the clip of us letting the fish go, so you'll just have to look at the other clips of letting other fish go. Wow, he's got another fish on the line. Well, isn't that something? The fight continues. After a while of fighting, my dad finally got the fish on the dock. That seems pretty right to me. Let's measure it and see if we can keep it and cook it. It's too bad. 33 inches, so we had to let it go. Bye, Redfish. We'll catch one of your friends very soon. So, yeah, let's move on. And not long after, yet another one hooked.
I'll get it, honey. Good job.
Yet another one on the dock. This is a really good night of fishing. We are going to measure it, and, yeah, you'll see if we'll have to let it go.
Oh. No?
Take your guesses now. Will the fish be too long, or will it be small enough for us to keep?
Got to let it go again.
If you guess that it will be too long, you would be correct. Come back for another night of guessing if the fish is too small, too big, or neither. Anyways, bye!